Yes, you are.
I got the video camera rolling.
She would walk right in the house, given the chance.
Oops.
Yes.
You think she'll let me pet her?
Yeah, but she'll think you're feeding her.
Okay, honey.
Yeah.
Oh. Sorry. That little tongue.
She's a piggy. She is. She's a piggy.
Can I pet you? Oh yeah, her teeth are kind of. Oops.
Her mouth is misshapen somehow. But she's not skinny. She's doing fine. Yeah.
Look at all those guys.
I think one of those may be her offspring, actually.
Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Can I pet you? Oh. Hi guys. Hi guys.
There.
Woo. Oh.
Right on the head.
Ooh. You guys are funny. Yeah, you're funny. You're funny. Uh-oh. Oh, look at that. Look at that, Gene. The one let me pet her right on the head. They were fighting over something there.
Yeah, there definitely is a pecking order. You can really